Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. I'm here with Mixed Media Guy.
Howdy.
And I got this Lazy Susan. It's not the biggest or the most smoothest, durable, whatever, but we're going to try it.
Kind of lazy.
Yeah, it is lazy. We put some nails down to kind of hold the canvas in place. And I have this strainer. Johnny thought we should try it upside down, so that's what we're going to do. And we're using the Arteza acrylic pouring colors. So these are ready mixed, ready to go out of the box. And I think if you spin it while I pour, we'll just see what happens.
Great, here we
So
go.
don't be too violent.
How's that? Is that violent enough?
I think you can be a little more violent.
Oh, cool.
And try to just keep it moving. I'll just keep going. This is an experiment.
Completely.
Either way, it'll be cool.
That's right.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez. Oh, no.
Not getting it in there too well. Some neon.
Oh, all day long.
I don't see anything coming out other than what I got on the top of it.
Well, that's interesting.
So hold on, let's do this. What do we think about flipping it over?
Okay.
Because I can't tell how much paint is in there.
Oh, quite a bit.
Okay.
I actually kind of like that pattern. Whoa, that's interesting.
Okay,
Something.
carry on.
Carry on.
Because ideally the spinning helps push the paint out. I think that's kind of part of the point.
Yeah. This has got a very 80s pop music video feel to it.
Yeah. Okay, I think that should be enough paint.
Seems like.
So hold on one second. I'm just going to do this. Just to see if we can get a little more even coverage. But the point is I don't want to tilt.
Yeah, no tilting.
Because we want to keep the pattern as much as possible.
I'm actually really liking this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like the rays of light kind of feel.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's like a spirograph.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Whoa, swirly.
Oh my goodness.
It's just I'm having a PCU moment, forgive me.
Okay, let's take this off and then spin it a little more, I think. Oh, look.
Right?
That's super cool.
I know.
So we're basically to the edge
Look
there.
what we made.
Yeah, let's do just a little more. And we're going to have a really pretty Lazy Susan.
Yes, we are. I can't stare at this too much longer.
Right? Okay, I think we're good. What do
One
you
more.
think? One more? Oh.
I should have let it.
Yeah,
left it
right?
alone.
That's cool, though.
Yeah.
Well, I did not think I put that much yellow in there.
But it's fine, it worked out.
Yeah, it
It's
did.
like a sun.
Sweet.
Or a sunflower.
Look at the pretty sun.
Right?
We're going to have the prettiest Lazy Susan. Okay. Get the sides. I think we're good.
Yeah.
So let's let this sit for a little bit. We'll see if anything develops, and then we'll do our close-up. All right, we're back. So not too much changing on its own, but let's go ahead and do our close-up. So in this, I used gold, neon pink, neon purple, yellow, and a silver gray. Those were the colors I used. I didn't actually even use white. This is a silver gray.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
What?
I know. People have been telling me to use silver, so I gave it a go.
You acquiesced and look what happened.
Yep. So really pretty. It's like a really bright spring flower. I love this.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know what you think down in the comments. Also, for those of you unaware, Mixed Media Guy is in fact a musician, and he has his own channel.
Preach.
Which is awesome. So, I'm not biased. I'll put the link for that down in the description along with all of the materials. And I'll even add this bamboo Lazy Susan to my Amazon store so you guys can see the exact one that I have here. And otherwise, I will see you all next time.
Peace.